Hi again, everyone. Welcome to week 9, Concepts of Management. Some really interesting topics this week. The first one we're going to talk about in discussion question 1 deals with the issue of control within an organization. And one of the things you're asked to do is talk about within your own organization, what aspects does the organization, the manager, try to control, and how do they do it? Okay. Now, first off, you have to figure out, I think, from my own perspective, like how much control do you want? And I think, again, this all gets back to one of the interesting issues in the management perspective is how much do you trust your employees? How much do you trust the people that work for you? Okay? Because as a manager, if you lack trust, okay, you probably wish to have greater control. And there are a number of theories that we talk about. McGregor's X and Y theory manager comes most into play here. And an X theory manager assumes workers are lazy, they're unmotivated, and the boss has to watch them all the time, control every aspect, or they'll be goofing off. Y theory manager assumes the opposite, that workers are self-motivated, and really the function of the manager is to provide the workers with the tools they need to be successful, because they want to be successful. Okay? Now, and a lot of managers tend to be more, especially in this country, theory X. Which again was probably pretty useful during the production era when you're working on an assembly line, make more widgets, make more widgets. Maybe that worked. Now, a little bit different perspective, I think, for most companies. But again, I think a lot of managers try to maintain high levels of control within their organization. And I'm not entirely sure that that's always a good thing. To some degree, I think, again, it gets back to empowering employees. If your employees feel empowered to do things, and again, that's usually highly motivational, right? So if your employees are empowered, but again, you empower them, power is a collective total. You empower them. It does imply power has been taken away from you. So how much do you control, and how do you do it? That's really, I think, one of the focal points of the question this week. It's really easy to say, at our company, they try to control everything. They control it through like a dress code, a policy manual, managers walking around, they check things. Some companies, they check keystrokes on your computer. They check how many times you log into Facebook each day. They do a number of things to control. And again, maybe you want to contrast the concept of control with a number of things. Do you think that the more a manager tries to control workers' behaviors and productivity levels, what is the impact that has on employee morale and motivation? Because I'd really be interested in your insights. Do you think employees, because a lot of them, I think really this question, and a lot of people talk about this week, micromanagement. That is the ultimate, I think, manifestation of management control. The idea that I wish to, manage and supervise every aspect of your job. And a lot of companies have really interesting ways. And technology, by the way, has made that a lot easier for people to micromanage. Companies monitor your phone calls, they monitor your internet usage, they monitor everything. So maybe we can talk a little bit about that, about the relationship between motivation, control, morale and control, and the impact that technology has on a manager's abilities to exercise that control if they choose to do so. Really interesting stuff this week, guys. I look forward to your insights.